All right. Hey, thank you for watching this video. Yeah, like the title said, I've got 5 different websites that you can go to earn an extra $100 here or there. And if you do it on each one of those sites, that could be $100 a week or $500 a week easily. So, and there's 2 secrets I've got for you to make this a lot easier as you learn the process. So stick with me to the end of this video, and I promise you it's all going to make sense. Now, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I certainly would appreciate it. If you're watching this on my Facebook, thank you so much. There's going to be a link to my YouTube channel, and I would appreciate if you jump on over there and like, share, and press the little bell so you know when I add more content to my YouTube channel. All right, so let's dive in. This isn't going to be a long video. Just going to show you the sites, kind of give you a couple of tips on where to go on each site, and then how you're going to kind of circumnavigate around these other 2 little secret sites I've got to help you enable you to earn the money a lot easier than your normal person that's doing it right now. So it's kind of a cheat code, if you will, if you're a gamer. So let's take a look right now. So the first site is going to be a site called Scribby.com, and let me show that to you here. So Scribby.com, and this site is, you can go to the site and sign up as a transcriptionist. So you're thinking, well, what is a transcriptionist? Well, you've seen videos, and videos have speaking on it, right? That people speak on videos. Well, you transcribe the audio into text. And you're thinking, holy cow, I don't have time for that. Well, actually you do. So remember, you got to stick with me to the end of the video, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this without having to type a single key on your keypad to transcribe the audio to video, or from the video. So in Scribby, this is what you want to do. You go to the bottom of the page and look for transcribers. So let's get rid of that right here real quick. So you come all the way down to the bottom and look for transcriber apply now. And when you hit that button, it's going to take you to another page, and it's just going to ask you some information, just like if you're signing up for a job, really. I mean, it's going to ask you some personal information. They don't share anything, so there's nothing that you have to worry about there. And you become a transcriber, okay? And then you can go onto the site, and then you can look for jobs by filtering out video transcriptions. So if you do a search on transcriptions, videos will come up, and you can choose to transcribe those videos or not, or go to something else. So that's the number 1 site. Oh, by the way, there is a $5 bonus with Scribby. For every 3 hours that you transcribe, you get an extra $5. Now, that may not sound like a lot, but the time it takes to transcribe the audio from the video is time consuming, at least for the people who do it the old-fashioned way, not you, because you're going to do it the smart way. So keep that in mind. So a little bonus there. So the next site would be Transcribe Me. Again, it's the same. All these sites are pretty much the same. They're just people who submit their projects that need to be transcribed. Now, there will be some, I'm not going to lie, there's going to be some in the text of the work request that says must be done by human, not digitally. Well, you know, pass those up. There's going to be plenty of work for you to do here. So just stay with me. I promise you at the end this is all going to make sense. So on Transcribe Me, all you have to do is hit join as a transcriptionist right up here at top. You see my cursor, and that's going to again ask you for your personal information, and then when you get that all signed up and approved, you log in and you do the same type of search, transcription work, and then you want to look for the videos. Okay, that's important, because when I show you these 2 little secrets I have for you, it's going to make sense, and you're going to go, aha, I see how this is going to work. The third site you want to go to is called gotranscript.com, and this one you have to go down to the bottom of the page and look for transcriber. I think I'm already down there. I am. So if you go to, let me just show you. So top of the page, boink, come all the way down to the bottom. It's a long page, and look for transcriptionist. And then right here, you want to click on work. Okay. And then you're going to watch a little video. It's going to ask you to sign up and go through that whole process again on this one. And then just apply now. The other site we got here is called People Per Hour. This is kind of like Upwork. I'm sure if you've been on the internet for a while, you know what Upwork is. This is kind of the same thing. There's all kinds of work on here. This one probably doesn't have as many videos on it that maybe Go Transcribe Me or Transcribe Me or GoTranscript.com or Scribby Audio may not have as many as those, but it still has it, and it's a quality site to go to. So here you want to look for the freelance button right up here in the top right corner. None of this is rocket science. You know, it's signing up just like you would sign up for anything else. It's like creating an account on whatever app that you enjoy using. It's the same thing. You just sign up, follow the directions. It's easy. Step 1, 2, 3. They don't ask for any credit cards or anything like that. You don't pay them anything. Excuse me. So there's really no money out of pocket, and that's the beauty about making money, and or making money this way anyway. So you do that, follow the directions, and again, when you get all signed up, then you just search for video transcriptions and pick and choose which work you want to do. The last site is called Text Broker, and again, it's the last site. It's the same thing as the other four, and all you have to do here is go down to sign, or you do sign up. Hold on, there might be an easier way down here at the bottom. Just come down here. Yeah, sign up for free, and then you're going to click on payment right there. And that's going to take you to the process. And again, it's going to ask you all the personal information, sign up just like any other app. So that's all well and good. So now you've signed up on all these websites, and now you've searched for your videos that you want to transcribe. So now what? Well, the trick number one is to come over here to YouTube. Sorry about that. Put that on pause. And why would you want to go to YouTube? Well, there's a little thing that YouTube does that most people don't know or realize that YouTube actually does. For those of you who are on YouTube a lot, you're going to know this. But if you're not, there's a little trick. If you go to any video on YouTube, if you come down here and you see these three little dots, this little sideways hamburger is what I call it, you click on that and look right here, open transcript. So you pop that bad boy open, and look here, this is all the audio that's in this video right here, already done. And guess what? YouTube does that. So now you see those videos that you chose to work with on these other sites. You upload the video to a YouTube channel that you create. You don't publish it, obviously. You keep it private or non-public, so no one can see it. And after about an hour or so, sometimes longer, sometimes less, depends on the length of the video, YouTube's going to pop up with your transcription. So all you have to do is copy all this text, right? And here's the last trick, and it's beautiful. Then you go to Grammarly.com right here, and you install the Chrome app as an extension on Chrome. And you paste in the text that you just copied from YouTube, and you hit it in Grammarly. And it's going to check all the wording, the punctuation. It's going to highlight areas where you can improve the text. So that takes maybe, I don't know, a minute or two. And then you copy that, you paste it up into whichever site that you're working off of as a finished project, and bam, you get paid. Now, if you look at some of these sites, they're paying you a really decent price. So anywhere from 10 cents a minute to 80 cents a minute. And that may not sound like a lot, but they pay by the length of the video, not how long it takes you to do the work. So follow that. If they have a 10-minute video in here, they're going to pay you for that 10-minute video, not the fact that it only took you 30 seconds to do the work. Follow me? So if you do this enough, get enough jobs, enough gigs, you can actually make a couple of $100s or more, up to $500 a week, if you're really active on it. And if you're an affiliate marketer like I am, having that extra cash maybe for advertising your affiliate products. A lot of the reasons why people don't get into affiliate marketing is because they say they don't have money to advertise. Well, there are tons of ways to make money online, and this is one of them. So I hope this helps. I hope this gives you make you get the old brain juices flowing a little bit. I'm going to keep creating this kind of content because there's one thing I want to do, and I want to help people make money. Now, this isn't going to make you rich, right? It's a side hustle at best. You're still trading time for dollars, right? And your objective should be passive income, making money while you're asleep, right? This is why I do this kind of stuff right here, the transcription, because I make the money to pay for my ads for my affiliate marketing, and then I make money on my affiliate marketing. See, it's kind of like a bread trail, and the breadcrumbs just get bigger and bigger. So you can't use the excuses, I don't have the money to start an affiliate marketing business. Well, I'm just showing you right here that you do have the money. So get out there, and I would love to hear your successes. If you have any questions, shoot them in the comments below. And again, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel here. I would appreciate it. If you're watching me on Facebook, my YouTube channel is going to be associated in the description of this video. So thank you all for watching, and go out there and make some money. Thanks, everybody. Talk to you soon.